sofa button are 2. Universal remote control for your Roku box is 2 remote controls in one, and I show you how to program this remote control right now. Now, when the remote control comes with the full instruction how to program, you need to install the 2 AAA batteries. When that's done, it's pretty simple. Now, there is 2 parts, the bottom part and the upper part of the remote control. So the bottom section, this part is to control your Roku box. No program needed. So this by default will control your whole Roku box. You see here, press here, it automatically starts Netflix to Hulu. And this is to navigate again home. And this is normal as you always have your Roku box. Now, the top part, you can reprogram this. Why you want to reprogram this? You want to control, let's say, your TV. You want to control your stereo, your receiver. So this one can be for your TV. This one can be for your receiver, or we can exchange it if you want. And here we have the volume control. This is done simple enough. Now, we need to program my remote control. So the first thing we're going to do is that's my original remote control. And I have my Roku box. I don't want to use this. I want to use one control for everything. So now, the first thing we need to do is how to program this. All right, you're going to press the power button and the mute speaker both at the same time until you see a red light. Let's get the camera close so we can see that better. Now, we press here and here. And we see there the red light right now. All right, so that's ready to program. Simple enough now. We want to turn on and off the TV. So I'm going to press power here. That's the first key I want to program. That blinks. Pay attention for the green light. I'm going to bring my original remote control and I want to power here. So press power until we see that. Press here. Now let it go until we see a green light. That's it. Done. Now we program the power key. My next thing is I want to control the volume. So up and down. It's done program mode. I'm going to press down here. Blinks 2 times. I'm going to press down here. Let's wait for the green light. Press down. Green light. Done. Now we're going to have to go volume up. We press this up. 2 times. Volume up. Perfect. Now maybe I want to do the OK key. So we have OK key here and OK here. So I'm going to press the same button. OK key and OK here for like the menus by my TV. Press here. Done. We want to navigate. See here the navigation of my remote control. Navigation of the remote control. Now we finish program. So I'm going to press power and mute. Done. At this point now, we program. Now I can turn the TV on. Now I can hit the menu control. I press OK. It brings the menu control for your TV. That will be the case. I can control now the volume up or down. See? And now if you have a receiver, now you can program your receiver as well too. What you will do the same step. You will go power and mute the speaker. It starts red. Now I want to press the one for my receiver. I press this once. Then I grab my remote control from the receiver, put it here and press and boom. At that point, you're finished. So the only thing you need to do is I want to turn my TV on, press power, boom, turn your TV on, turn your receiver on, and then from here, control your Roku. Simple enough. Thank you.